Hi, I'm Mike Nelson
And I'm Monica Nelson.
of Long and Foster Real Estate Incorporated, your Maryland and Pennsylvania realtors.
Let's take a look at this week's featured listing.
Welcome to 112 Penny Lane, located in New Freedom's desired community of Strawberry Fields, which is conveniently located minutes from the Maryland-Pennsylvania line. This is a very large 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom brick front colonial boasting over 4,500 square feet of space sitting on a corner lot. The main level includes a gourmet kitchen with granite, newer stainless steel appliances, and a big island. The kitchen opens to a formal dining room. There are arched doorways to the family room with a brick wood burning fireplace and French door to the wraparound front porch. The back of the main level includes sunrooms with vaulted ceilings and gas fireplace. The main level also has a large, formal living room and half bath. The upper level has 2 large primary bedrooms and 2 other bedrooms as well as the laundry area. The fully finished basement includes a second family room, half bath, and outside access. The oversized 2-car garage is heated with plenty of room to park in the driveway. This home has it all.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, our contact information is below. We look forward to talking to you.
Main Street Home Loans, marketing rich enough to be used by America's finest real estate agents.